Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the possibility of third wave of corona in India, when this third wave is going to come and how severe it is going to be and which are all population is going to get affected. Here are some newspaper clippings which mentions that COVID third wave is going to hit very soon and children are not going to get involved and children are going to get involved and it is not going to be too large and Delta variant is going to be the reason for this third wave. Let us know about the truth. Before understanding these waves of corona infection, we should understand the chain of infection or the chain of transmission, which consists of three rings. One is the reservoir. Here the reservoir for this coronavirus is a case of the disease, and there are three modes of transmission which is proven very clearly, that is through the personal contact of the droplets and contaminated object and fomites, and we have direct aerosol transmission, and through which it reaches the susceptible person, that is the person who are not immune to this coronavirus will develop COVID disease. So that is the chain of infection for this disease. We always attempt to break these rings. We treat this corona cases and reduce the number so that we can reduce the source or the reservoir for the disease. That is one possibility. So all our isolation, quarantine are basis for this reduction of the source. Then we have, for the modes of transmission, we have three control measures, that is maintaining the hand hygiene, wearing a mask and keeping physical distancing of 2 meters or 6 feet. Here hand hygiene can be maintained with either soap and water or sanitizer, and through these modes of transmission it reaches the susceptible person. Here the things have changed. COVID-19 vaccine has come. So in India we have Covishield and Covaxin vaccines. Based on this vaccinated nature of the people, the disease is going to spread. So what happened exactly in second wave was the development of the Delta variant. That is, the mutation happened within the genetic material of COVID-19 virus. So because of that, the different strain has arisen out of it, which has more spreading power, and the severity of the disease is also high. With these alpha, beta, gamma and delta, four variants have increased spreading power and increased severity. This epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, eta, kappa and all has less severity. Initially all these strains were named based on the countries of origin. WHO has recently coded these Greek numerals for naming those variants. Question is whether third wave will appear or not. Third wave will appear only if there is a mutation which results in a variant which has higher spreading power and also severity of the disease when compared to these four variants. When such mutation happens and when such variant develops, then we can say that that is going to cause third wave. Whether the third wave is going to be big or small, if that variant is responsive to this vaccine, then that wave is going to be small. The variant is not responsive to this COVID-19 vaccine, then the wave is going to be big. As I said before, if the variant is responsive to the vaccine, it is going to affect the susceptible person, that is the people who are not vaccinated, that is the young people and the children who are going to be the susceptible population. If at all a strain develops which is more powerful, that is having high spreading power and severity, when then we call it as third wave. So to sum up, there is a possibility of third wave only when the mutation happens and a stronger strain appears and susceptible population still exists and the modes of transmissions are not followed. So for us, for the time being, what we can do is we can get vaccinated, and if at all a variant develops, then we have to follow this three techniques to prevent the modes of transmission. Thank you very much for watching this video.